Outstanding design defines the 2013 BMW Z4 S-Drive 28i. This two-door, two-passenger convertible stands out among competitors in its class. It features an automatic transmission, rear-wheel drive, and a 2-liter 4-cylinder engine. A turbocharger is also included as an economical means of increasing performance. Top features include a power convertible top, one-touch window functionality, an automatic dimming rear-view mirror, automatic dimming door mirrors, heated seats, and power front seats. Everything is where it ought to be, from the dashboard controls to the door locks and window controls. With high-intensity discharge headlights illuminating your path, you'll always appreciate maximum visibility. BMW ensures the safety and security of its passengers with equipment such as knee airbags, integrated rollover protection, traction control, ignition disabling, an emergency communication system, and 4-wheel disc brakes with ABS. Brake Assist technology provides extra pressure when applying the brakes. Please don't hesitate to give us a call.